We come here to verse 24 of the book of Jude. Jude is now wrapping up his letter. This is the first half of a benediction that is offered by Jude, a well-known benediction actually that is very useful, of course, in the worship of the church at any time. So the first half of it begins to. This is the article. It's the dative, singular, masculine. So to thee would be the idea. Postpositive, but or and to the dunameno from dunamai means I am able. This is a participle. It's a present passive in form, active in meaning. Participle, masculine, singular, dative. So to the able one, the one who is able. And then normally a infinitive would go along with it, phulogzai. Phulake is the Greek word for a guard or a prison. This is the verb form in the infinitive here, phulogze. So to the one who is able to guard would be the notion, to guard you. Humas, the direct object of the infinitive. So to guard you, this is the second person, accusative plural. And then here's an adjective, so aptaistus. This is from aptaistos. As I say, it's an adjective. It's going along with humas, so it's in the accusative, plural, masculine here. So it would be to the one who is able to guard you, not falling. To make you or keep you from falling is the idea. It's not exactly easily translated, but it's a way of describing humas here, you see. So we have a descriptive adjective. Guard you as the unable to fall ones would be the notion. It's actually based on a verb, aptaio, which means to trip or to fall. And this is, of course, negated with the alpha and transformed into an adjective. So that's the idea. To keep her from falling is the way it's normally translated. A literal translation is pretty tough to pull off, but that's the idea. So the one who is able to guard you from falling, kai stasai, this is from histemi, which means to stand. This is the aorist infinitive. So it's, and to stand you, literally. Katanopion. This is anopion, of course, is a preposition. It means to be in the presence of. It takes the genitive. The kata at the beginning of it, the preposition that is the prefix, just makes it a little more stalwart, to stand you securely, to stand you firmly. Not able to be falling over, tripping over is the idea. So it reinforces the prior notion to the one who is able to keep you from falling and stand you. And then before, takes the genitive, tes doxes, before the glory autou of him. A remarkable thought, of course, because we think of the glory as the very thing that will cause a person to fall down. It's an overwhelming vision. But here he's able to keep you standing in the presence of the glory. And then onomus, from onomos, it means without fault. The negation here, without fault, faultless. In, preposition, takes the dative here, which we have agaliase. This is from agaliao, which means to be overwhelmed with great joy. Literally, to leap for joy. It's like the greatest and most extravagant expression of joy. So it's quite an idea. The one who is able to both keep you from falling and to stand you securely right before the glory of God in a state of just unbelievable and inexpressible joy. And then, of course, the comma tells us there's even more to this benediction to come, which abides for the next verse.